How to play Roblox without downloading it. Now, everybody knows that all kinds of browsers out there, if you go straight into Roblox.com's official site and just simply access any kinds of experiences here or game, the download will really pop out, and Roblox is really asking you to download it so that you can play the experience. But hey, we actually have this specific website, specifically a proxy site. Now, first is open up any web browser that you can use or where you would like to play the game. Now, the website is going to be easyfun.gg. This is actually free. You could actually play Roblox in here. So this is going to be the dashboard, and then just go into the search box and type in Roblox. Now choose on the second result, which is going to be the Roblox Adventure. So if you access it, you should be able to play this without downloading or installing Roblox on your PC. However, there is just a specific limited time where you can play the game and reset again. That's it. That's how you play Roblox without downloading it.